in this point between companies that have a vision and a willingness to invest in our technology and our thoughts and ideas on how our technology can really revolutionize business. In that, there's a big room for identifying the value pools. So that's sort of the concept or vision that I'm working on addressing. You wouldn't buy a car today which couldn't have an over-the-air update and get smarter every year. But here we're actually today still designing facilities which are very static and fixed. And those things, they have a lifespan for maybe 40 years, 50 years. People design them, build them, and they start operating them, and then they modify and maintain and life extend them. But it's the same thing. And classically, it's hard to connect those life cycle steps, and there's different actors in each step, and they don't share the data. So with CDF, the whole idea is to have the data in one place so that next time you build something like this, you can ask the history of 50 years across 50 similar facilities. How did that equipment work? And with the help of AI, you can also optimize each of those parts in a safe way. AI is impacting both what we're producing, but also how we produce. Now the AI is really good at programming agentic workflows and is getting better at training the foundational models itself. It's a paradigm shift. It's the event horizon of AI. It's the singularity. It's about to happen. You can taste it. There's a pocket of singularity around us now. We're always working on the fringe between what our customers need and want and what we're able to do. So having the fellowship gives us a formalized group to actually come together and check and to have those really transformational ideas. You can't be working on very small, narrow delivery projects. You need to be working across a multitude of companies who have the same intent and have the same vision. So I've been working together with SBM. They have their office in Monaco. They build this oil platform as a ship, and they operate them on behalf of oil and gas operating companies. And around 2 years ago, they wanted to start a collaboration. It has been a success. We're about to scale across their whole fleet and beyond. So their team is coming over to work on how they can use CDF and our capabilities to optimize how they design their new facilities. We're combining Aker Solutions and SBM together. I will facilitate a brainstorming session around where we go from here so that we also mature the collaboration between those two companies, which again will feed into input to Cognite on where the big value pools are so that we can check that with other customers and align our product roadmap around those priorities. I've been with them now for the last 2-3 weeks, combining climbing and work on site in their office in Monaco. That's the great thing when you have cool partners. Okay, where do they? Oh, Monaco. Oh, climbing. Then there's opportunity for combining work and pleasure, which I always try to do. I'm very, very happy for the freedom I have at Cognite to mix up those work and free time activities. The global competition in this field that we as a company try to excel in and compete in is insane. And one shirt does not fit all athletes. A high-performing company like ours feel that obligation to create the performance environment around them so they can thrive and become a better version of themselves together with their teams, trying to solve this big challenge that we have.